na wase kamati ebunge enene kumurekera obotumeki bwenibo ye serikali ekora wano munyakirogobo wa mboka wanami oyobo igoro mubunge obumula baba gokora etaro yabo ase eskuru yobobundi gose Kisii National Polytechnic
ekerenga ekenenegie komiti eyo no kwenekia buna kenyera kwabwe koringo lihana korigereria obotumeki bwenibo ase polytechnic eyo korendekerenga kiabo kitenyarite kwabwe goikirana magega yo gutumerana anene na oroboti buna omo principal goso mwarimo monene bwe skuru eyo Daniel Nyariki niganyarite koba gagosira asomoroberio bokumwenyo gendrete
omuriketo job mangi nekirana sensemeyo na gutwariganira roboti rwa senchira iyo wikirano
bali nekerenga gyo kumanya igoro obotumeki bw'ekibesa ky'obwagati bwa magacho ekamati ekumurekera na kuunenkya obotumeki bw'enibo ya serikali Public Investment Committee on Governance and Education mbatalira eskuru y'obubundi ya Kisii Polytechnic.
We were programmed to do our audit in this school today of the infrastructural projects that are ongoing.
Kago kwana nabaliki bamangana maya nigo munyakerogo obo wamboko wanami ate bambayikiraniti ekerenga kyabo asengenche ko musiria omo principal bwe polytechnic eyu Mr. Daniel Nyariki.
But as you know, we lost the principal, Mr. Daniel, a few weeks ago, and in honor of that we have not done the audit that we were supposed to do. We've just looked around and we've just inspected the ongoing projects.
Asaira libagali abene kurwa amagombo gocha sesukuru enkana abayiri banyagosira
To pole kwa Madam Principal and the entire fraternity. Ya wanafunzi wote wa institution hii, lecturers, workers na the entire population ya Kisii County na Nyamira.
Mbate bambache bayirane na gukora obutuki bwaime nabo igo kwenekia enchera magacho ayo aberega kwagachwa ekero amachanga nabo igo emeroberio yoko mwenia nyagusira omworokia omonene bw'eskuru eyo aelire.
But we will come for an audit, proper audit, once all this is settled, once the school is calm, and once they've dealt with the burial of their loved one. So that's why we are here. So we are done and we want to go. Our responsibility as a parliamentary committee first is to ensure when we come to a school like this, we want to look at the challenges, establish what is ailing them, and propose how we can make this institution better. That is one of our key responsibilities here, but we will come.
Ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV korwa se county ya Kisii, Job Maangi.